do 4 of these, and 3, and 2, and 1, and come up over, turn to the left to overhand, 4, 3, 2, 1, turn to the right, coming across the bottom, and 4, 3, 2, 1, up and over, all the way around to the other side, and 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, last one, and now come down and across, and we'll do 2 on the right, 1 and 2, now up and over, and 2 on the left, 1 and 2, and down and across, and 1 and 2, and up and over, and 1 and 2, and down and across. Third set, 1 and 2, up and over, and 1, 2, down and across, and last set, 1, 2, up and over, and 1, 2, down and across. Now we'll do singles. So 1 cap, then up and over, 1 cap, down and across. 1 cap, up and over, 1 cap, down and across. 1 cap, up and over, 1 cap, down and across. 1 cap, up and over, 1 cap, down and across. We're going to do 4 more sets. So 1 and over, and 1 and across. Second set, up and over, and down and across. Third set, up and over, and down and across. And last set, up and over, cap, down and across, come out and underhand weave facing the right. And let's do a left turn 360, and then a right turn 360, and a left turn 360, and a right turn 360. And now come out and underhand, same time underhand circles, wrap it up, make it shorter, come into an underhand buzzsaw, tap the right poi on your back, open it up, so flip the left one over the top, and now you're doing underhand opposite circles. Now come across to the left side of the buzzsaw, right over, left across the bottom, left over, right across the bottom, right over, left across the bottom, left over, right and over, left and over, right, over, left, over, right, over, left, over. You're on the 2 sides now. Come over the top, drop stall, release the poi to full length, counterclockwise, corkscrew, turning to the left, and sync up the time, and down and tap, up and over, down and tap on the right, up and over, down and tap on the left, up and over, down and tap on the right. Third set, down and tap on the left, up and over, down and tap on the right, and last set, up and over, tap on the left, up and over, tap on the right. Now we're going to turn, so as you come up, come down, around, and tap and turn, coming to the other side, going to the right, and tap and turn left, and around and down, and tap and turn back to the right, and 2 more sets. So we're going to turn to the left, down and tap, turn to the right, and down and tap, turn to the left, down and tap, and turn to the right, down and tap. Now we're going to jump as we turn to the left, and jump as we turn to the right, and jump as we turn to the left, and jump as we turn to the right, jump, turn left, jump, turning right, and jump, turning left, and last time turning to the right, coming out after the tap and counterclockwise corkscrew again, and come into your cap, so your sprinkler, 4, 3, 2, 1, and turn to the left, come all the way around, spiral, come out in the other cap, 4, 3, 2, 1, we're going to turn to the right, come all the way around, spiral, and counterclockwise cap, 4, 3, 2, 1, turn to the left, 360, come into the overhead spiral, and clockwise cap, 4, 3, 2, 1, turn to the right, 360, and spiral, counterclockwise corkscrew, plane shift it up, come up into pinwheel, turn left to overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left, turn right, turn left, turn right. Now we're going to start adding the height difference as we come from the left to the right, come down, and as we come from the right to the left, go up. Come down and go up, and come down and go up. Come down and go up, and last time down, last time up, come up, over, and drop stall down. We're gonna change direction, go up, and go down. Come up, and go down. Come up, and go down. Come up, come down, come back up, over the top, and come out into the overhand cap on the right for 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, down and across, turn to the left, and 4, 3, 2, and 1, up and over the top, and 4, 3, and 2, and 1, come down and across, and 4, 3, 2, 1, up and across. Now we'll do sets of 2, so 2 on the right, 1 and 2, down and across, and 1 and 2, up and over, 1 and 2, down and across, 1 and 2, 4 more sets, right side, and down and across, and then left side, and up and over, right side, and down and across, and left side, and up and over, 2 more sets, so overhand on the right for 2, down and across, and underhand left, 2, up and over, last set, 2 on the right, 1 and 2, and down and across, 1 and 2, up and over, and singles, cap, extension over the top, cap, extend on the bottom, cap, extend over the top, cap, extend across the bottom, cap, extend across the top, cap, extension on the bottom, cap, extension on the top, come out into overhand weave.